This one is called Pure Imagination from the film Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. My dad used to play this song all the time when I was younger, and he was the one that actually showed me how to do some frills on the piano. So I'm very thankful for that. And I just think it's a beautiful song. It's very simple, but it just, for me, it sparks so much more than just what is given. So, Pure Imagination. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Wanna change the world? There